Hello, sir. Hello, can you hear me? Ma'am, we shall start the program within 5 minutes, ma'am. Please wait, ma'am. On the
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Sabari, are you ready with your MC?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
இப்ப சவுண்ட் வைக்கிறேன்.
டைரக்டா போறேன். ஏய் உருட்டு போடா.
இல்லைங்க சார், நான்
என்ன
யாரும் கேட்காங்க.
மைக் ஆன் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கான்டா. இல்ல கேக்குது, யாரும் கேட்கறாங்க. மைக்
Ma'am, shall we start, ma'am? Ma'am?
We can start.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry for the delay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, no problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Present here, we are passionate and we will whatever be the odds. We never lose hope because we never give up. Let us believe in our victory should be ours and ours alone. With this, I would like to welcome you all for the skill development program on using ICT tools for effective English communication, organized by Department of English from KPR College of Arts and Research. First of all, I would like to welcome our principal, Balasami sir, who always encourages in all our endeavors. I'm honored to welcome our today's chief guest, Dr. N. Vanitha, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology from Dr. NGP Arts and Science College, Coimbatore. Welcome you, ma'am. It is our pleasure to have you. Thank you for readily accepting our invitation, ma'am. I'm also grateful to welcome the most respected deans, HODs, faculty members from various departments from our college. Last but not least, I welcome all the student participants of KPRCAS. I hope this session will benefit you in all ways. Over to you, Sabari.
We pursue excellence in everything we do. Our commitment to the quest for perfection is total. We work long and hard and never let anything stop us from being number one. It really gives me an immense pleasure to welcoming you all to the program on using ICT tools for effective English communication, organized by the Department of English, KPR College of Arts, Science and Research, Coimbatore. Now it's time to get acknowledged about our today's chief guest, Dr. N. Vanitha, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, Dr. NGP Arts and Science College, Coimbatore. For that, I would like to welcome Dr. J. Karthikayani, Assistant Professor of English, KPRCAS, for her chief guest introduction.
Very good evening to one and all gathered here. Dr. N. Vanitha is the Assistant Professor in the Department of Information Technology in NGP College of Arts and Science. She has 10 years of teaching experience and specializes in cybersecurity and UAV networks. She has an in-depth knowledge in technology and its application in various fields like farming, like medicine. She has done a number of papers in medicine, chronic kidney disease detection using machine learning techniques, deep learning techniques for skin disease classification. And she has also implemented her technical skills in architecture, unmanned aerial vehicle network architecture, weather forecasting using machine learning. So we are able to see a multi-dimensional work in your thing, ma'am. So we are really privileged to have you, ma'am. Thank you so much for being here. We are keen to listen to your presentation.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your brief introduction.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now the session is handed over to the chief guest for a while.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can you give me sharing permission, screen sharing permission? It was displayed as disabled.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, we have made you co-host, ma'am. Please check.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, was my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Screen is visible now.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes.
First of all, I will take this opportunity to thank the management of KPR College of Arts and Science, Principal Sir, Head Department of English, for giving me the wonderful opportunity to interact with young minds of KPR College. And let me start the presentation. The topic given to me is ICT tools for effective English communication. Yes. Have you all know about these ICT tools? Yes, participants. I have given all the ICT related tools that is for effective English communication in the first slide itself. Was it visible to all? Yes. Are you all there? Kindly
Yes,
post
ma'am.
any messages in the chat box so that I can see your messages. Yes. Okay. So these are the tools which are used for English communication, effective English communication. By knowingly or unknowingly, we have used all these tools during our COVID period, isn't it? During the COVID time, we all attended the classes using ICT tools. Yes. During online classes, we have used Zoom meetings, all WebEx meetings. Then what else? The another one is Google Meet. It was so famous, Google Meet, isn't it? We all have applied the ICT tools in our education and also communication. Yes. So here are some of the 5 different tools which is mandatory for effective English communication. That is yes. So that is e-creation tool, e-communication, reading, writing facilitative, listening, speaking facilitative, and e-assessment tools. So these are the tools we have already applied. Can anyone say what are some of the e-creation tools you have used? Yes. I know it is very tedious to listen to somebody's talk after a heavy lunch. I too feeling like that. But it is very easy to talk, but it is very tedious to listen. Yes? Am I audible? Am I audible? Organizers, can you say,
Yes,
am I
ma'am.
audible? Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I know it is very tedious after lunch. Listening is very, very tedious process. So kindly interact with me. We have used a lot of e-creation tools, isn't it? During our lockdown period, COVID times, and all those things, we have used a lot of ICT tools in order to learn, in order to attend the classes, submitting assignments, participating in quiz programs. Everything will be possible using only these ICT tools. Yes, isn't it? So we have used a lot of e-creation tools. For example, we can say Movie Maker. Yes, Movie Maker we have used to create some content. We have used audio makers in order to present something, isn't it? We have applied some, for example, we can say Google Docs. Google Docs is used to create some content. Yes, we have used it, no? Anybody? No one is used. Yes? No reply? So I didn't have any text related contents in my slide, only videos and little bit images. Okay. So be interactive. E-creation tools, we have used lot of e-creation tools are there in order to create a content. Okay. That makes the student more creative, not only a student and also a teacher. So it makes student as well as the teacher more creative. Okay. Then coming to the second tool, that is e-communication tool. We have created a content. How this content will reach the student or other participants? It is through some media, isn't it? It may be like a mail, or it may be like a video conferencing, or it will be like a Zoom meeting, what I am conveying it to you. No? So these are all the e-communication tools. There are 2 different e-communication tools will be there. Real time as well as, and also one more, that thing is the data will be reached after some time. Okay. So like an email. Then the third thing is reading and writing facilitative e-tools. Some of the tools which is used to read and write in order to facilitate some of the ideas. For example, we can say blogs. How many of you having blogs? Yes, we can have a lot of blogs. It may be a text blog, it may be an image blog or vlog or flog, photo logs, like that. There are different logs will be available. You can have a lot of logs in order to read and write facilitative. Okay. Then coming to the listening and speaking. Listening and speaking in the sense, we can have YouTube. YouTube is a wonderful tool in order to listen as well as speak. Okay. At last will be the e-assessment tool. This tool which is used to assess your work. Okay, it may be like portfolios or it may be your project works like that. So these are all the important 5 different ICT tools that are used for effective English communication. Okay, shall we proceed to the next slide? Yes, that's all about your ICT tools for English communication. Shall we proceed to the next? Yes?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
need some answer. Yeah, good. Thank you. So I'm going to show you one clip. Yes, this is an advertisement clip. After watching this whole advertisement, you have to convey some messages through chat box, or you can unmute yourself and talk with me, interact with me. Okay, I'll play this video for you. Are you all there? I need some sort of reply before playing this video. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you put some messages in the chat box so that I can see you people? Yes? There will be an emoticons, right? Can you people put some emoticons like thumbs up and all? Yes? Can you post a message in the chat box, all of you? I'm waiting to see your messages. Yes, I got message from Netra, first BSc IT. Very good. Divit, Ashwath. That's all. Kausika, Bharat, Surinder. Very good. Okay. I'll play the video. After the video, you have to convey what is the message you got from this video. Okay. Okay, enough. I'll play the video. Just listen to this video. Was this audible? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Have you all watched this video? Dear participants, are you all
Yes,
there?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, have you all watched this video? Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for your replies. Can you convey something about this video? Yes. You can post a message in the chat box. Say something. I want a lot of replies from you people about this video. What do you know from this video? You can guess. You can say something. Come on.
Ma'am, it is an advertisement about buying washing machines, AC.
Okay. It is an advertisement. Any other answers? Only washing machine and AC. Yeah? Yes. What about other things? Have you watched fully?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, mobile phones, dresses.
Mobile phones. I need more specific
Vegetables.
answers. Vegetables. Okay. Yes.
Store sells
All
A to
mobile
Z
phones,
products, ma'am.
vegetables, mobile phones, vegetables, then AC, washing machine, then it's a promotional ad. Yes, of course, it's a promotional ad. Yes, very. I got one more answer. Reply from Bharat. All products in one place. It's a wonderful answer. This is what the thing I need. Very good, Bharat. Thumbs up to you. Yes. Bharat, are you there? Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good, Bharat. It is a perfect answer. All products in a one place. That is what the idea behind this video. Okay. Shall I proceed to the next slide? Yes. Have you watched this? Look at this slide. Can you say what it is? All products in a single place. All products in a single place. That is what the previous video is. எல்லாமே ஒரே இடத்துல கிடைக்கும் சொன்னாங்களா? So that is what all products in a single place. That is what G Suite. That is for all e-tools for effective communication. ICT tools for effective communication is available in a single place. That is what G Suite. Yes. So everything, what you need to create a content using Google Form or using Google Docs or Google Slide, Google Sheet, whatever you want, you can create. Yes. So you can create a content. You can communicate with other students, staffs, or participants using Google Hangouts or Google Meet. So whatever you need for a communication related tools, everything is available in the G Suite. Yes. Then we need to facilitate something using a Google Handout or what to say, Google Meet, or you can send some information through Gmail. Okay. So everything is in order to store data, we are having Google Drive, and in order to evaluate your things, evaluate your content, we will be having Google Forms, Google Classrooms, everything is there in the G Suite. Okay. So all tools will be in a single place, which is available in the G Suite. This is what we are going to see today. Okay. So all those things are not, we are going to, I'm going to explain today. We are going to see one of the important thing that will be very much useful for us. Okay. Yes. Next slide. Are you all ready, dear participants? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you people say something about this pic? Say something about this pic. பாத்திருக்கீங்களா
விஜயகாந்த்.
இவர் என்ன சொல்ல வர்றாரு? Captain Ashwath. Yes, of course. Then say something about the pic, Captain. Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
இந்த இமேஜ் பார்த்தா உங்களுக்கு என்ன தோணுது? அவர் என்ன சொல்ல வர்றாரு? அவர் என்ன பண்றாரு? Captain
Something about administration, ma'am.
Something about? I can't hear you. Say something about this person.
The captain is warning others, ma'am.
Yes, of course. Very good. He is warning. Then captain பார்த்தாலே warning மட்டும்தான் ஞாபகம் வருமா? வேற ஏதாவது ஞாபகம் வராதா? Okay, what do you think about this pic? Only warning. Any other things? Students? I'm waiting. Time is going up. Come on, come on. Only warning, only Captain Prabhakaran. Murugan is telling Captain Prabhakaran like that.
A renowned politician, ma'am.
He is a politician. Yes. Yes, very good. Bharat is saying something. Any other dialogues? Yes, almost Bharat, you have reached the answer, but some other dialogue I am expecting. He is an actor. Yes, Jagdishwaran. There's some other thing about Captain. I need one more answer. Bharat, you are almost reached the answer, but I need an exact answer. Huh? Yes, there will be one more dialogue Ashwath has given. You can unmute yourself and say the dialogue, Ashwath. Yes? Ashwath, are you there? E-commerce. Ashwath. So Preetham Kumar has given Tuki Adichirvem Patuko. Yes, okay, good. One more dialogue. You all have forgotten this, I think. Yes? Shall I say the answer? Yes? Always this person, you know, always says some statistical report. Whenever he enters, he will provide some statistical report about something. Have you watched that film, Ramana? He always used to give some statistical report whenever he enters into the screen or something. He always used
My favorite movie, ma'am.
Which one, ma? It's Ramana, right?
Ramana, yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, shall we move to the next slide? Okay, so which is based on this pic. Okay. எனக்கு தமிழ்ல பிடிக்காத ஒரே வார்த்தை மன்னிப்பு. Okay, Bharat. But the exact answer is he will provide some statistical report whenever he enters into the screen. Okay. So this is what the statistical report of G Suite. Okay. So this G Suite is a cloud-based application which is developed by Google. Okay, Google தான் நமக்கு வந்து இந்த G Suite கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, and it offers lot of free tools to its users, and which in turns provides mobility, scalability, flexibility of the work, because we use it to work with the parallel manner, you know, whenever the work comes very big manner. So we have to split it and share it with all others and do the work within given time period. Okay. And also these are all the some of the statistical reports, how usage of these G Suite. So 58.9% of the users are using Google Docs in order to create a content. So in order to make an e-content, creative content like that, they are using Google Docs, because which in turn contains a lot of templates. In order to create a resume or in order to create any reports, project reports, everything there will be a template. If you want to create one visiting card, there will be a template available in Google Docs. Okay, if you want to create an invitation, that also will be available as a template in Google Docs. Okay, so these are the usage of the G Suite apps. Next, we are moving to the next slide. So these are the benefits of using G Suite. What are the benefits while using this G Suite? All apps in a single place. We are using all the G Suite apps, which in turn provides an unlimited storage. You can store any huge number of data. Okay, then there will be a lot of data migration tools in order to carry your data from here and there. Then there will be an improved team efficiency. It provides security. You can share only whatever the people you want. Then it is cost effective because it is free. Okay. Then Google application, lot of Google applications are there, and 24/7 customer support. In case you have paid and got the suite, means you will get 24/7 customer support. Okay. Then there will be an offline capabilities also available in the case of G Suite. Coming to the G Suite for education, these are some of the important apps that we are using. That is Gmail, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Calendar, Meets. N number of apps will be available in the G Suite. Okay. So here, separate apps, we are all well aware of all these apps. All are flexible with Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Calendars, Google Meets, Forms, Classrooms, isn't it? Yes. We have used Gmail for information sharing, then Drive in order to store the data, Docs in order to create a document, Sheets in order to calculations, all those things. In order to give some presentations, we are using Slides, or else in order to create something, in order to create an invitation, in order to create a certificate, we can make use of this Google Slides. Then Calendars in order to schedule some events, then Meet to communicate, and forms in order to create a quiz or in order to have a multiple choice questions or any type of information in order to get it from others through online. You can make use of forms and Google Classrooms in order to submit and in order to work with all these online related education related things. Okay, so these are all the some of the G Suite apps I have provided here. Today, what I am going to teach you is how to combine sheets and slides in order to create an effective certificates. Okay, here I am going to use slides in order to create an invitation or else an certificates, and sheets is mainly used to get the names and their details of the participants. Okay, so normally we will perform mail merge operation, isn't it? Yes, mail merge. Do you people aware of mail merge in Microsoft Word? Yes. I didn't get any reply. Yes. Okay. So you people are aware of mail merge. Yes. What is the purpose of using mail merge? Mail merge. Have you ever heard the term mail merge? What it is? It's a simple mail merge. In order to send the same letter to all the persons with a different address and name. So what we have to do? We are having a plenty of data, person's name database. Okay. If we want to share the same letter to all the persons with a different name and different address, what we have to do? We need to perform mail merge, isn't it? Yes. Okay. So while doing mail merge, we have to store the data in the database, isn't it? Yes. So that data will be merged with the letters. Yes. So here we are going to create a certificate using Google Slide. Okay. Then we will be having all the participants' data in the worksheet, Google Sheet. Okay. Google Sheet is there. Google Slide is there. We are going to merge these two things in order to create a multiple certificate. Because, you know, whenever by sending a feedback to the participants are filling feedback and getting certificates to their own mail. Okay. So whoever is having the link can download their certificates. So it is it's not a secured one. So in order to provide whoever attended the meet will get on how to get the certificate. So in order to do like that, we need to go for this type of process. Okay. So this is what the figure denotes. So we are going to praise this Google Sheet plus this Google Slide as a queen of mail merge. Okay. Yes. Shall we proceed to the demo? So we are going to see how to generate certificate for a given database data along with the certificate. Okay. So for that, you must need three things, that is Google Sheet, Google Slide, then Google Drive. Okay. So Google Sheet and the Google Slide will be connected using an extension called AutoCrat. So the purpose of using this AutoCrat is to link the sheets and the slide in order to generate a certificate. Okay. So whatever the data available in the sheet will be given to the slide in order to prepare a certificate. Yes. Shall we proceed to the demo? Are you all following me? Hello, participants, are you all there? It's time to move. Huh? It's 3 only, no? Okay. Just a second. I'll share my screen.
No, ma'am.
One second. Okay. Was it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Google Sheet is there. Then Google Slide. Google Sheet is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then this is Google Slide. It is also visible. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for that, first what we have to do is we have to create a certificate. Yes, using Google Slide. I have opened the Google Slide. See this? It's a Google Slide. I have opened one blank. Then I have created one model certificate in order to give a demonstration. This is my model certificate. Yes, was this visible?
Yes,
So I
ma'am.
have created this certificate. This is a simple certificate I have created along with all these logos and all the content. After that, after having all the content, see here, these are all the designs I have just taken. These are all the just in what to say, images. Okay, tools that is available here. Shapes and tools, whatever you want, you can make it as your based on your creativity. You can create a certificate with all data. Then whatever you want to change. Okay, for example, this is to certify that you have to provide some name of the person, okay, participant. Then you have to give department and college name of that particular participant here. Yes. So that alone you have to give within this open and close angle brackets. Okay. So this is what you have to create a certificate. After creating the certificate, you have to move to the Google Sheet. Yes. This is what a Google Sheet. I have already created a Google Sheet with some names. See, name and college name. You can have plenty of names here. You can have thousands, hundreds, thousands of names here. You can, using this method, you can create a certificate for 1,000 members at a time, more than 1,000 members. Okay. With a single click, you can have all the certificates get downloaded in your Google Drive. So with this, you can have name and college here. Okay. After that, what you have to do is you have to get into the extension. Okay. We have to install one extension named AutoCrack. So click this extension, go to add-ons, click get add-ons. Okay. So from this get add-ons, you have to search an app called extension called AutoCrat. AUTOCRAT. Okay. So this is the AutoCrat. You have to click this to install. I have already installed this AutoCrat. Okay. Just click this, give install. It will get installed in your Google Chrome. Okay. After installing, just click this extension and see here, this AutoCrat will be available in your extension tab. Okay. So from this, you have just click this AutoCrat. Okay. Click open. So now the AutoCrat will open. Yes. Are you all following me? Just click new jobs. Give the name of the job. For example, I'm going to create a certificate for ICT tools. Okay. ICT tools certificate. Give next. Now you have to choose a folder from the drive. I have already created a drive, created a folder in the drive called KPR. Now I'm going to get that. If not, you have to create one. Create a folder in the drive. Okay. Just see here. There will be a folder available as called KPR. Okay. It's an empty folder. So from drive, you have to choose your certificate. So this is the certificate we have designed in the Google slide. I have selected that. Now the model certificate has been imported into the template. Then give next. Now you have to select the sheet 1 from this sheet. Select sheet 1. So the first image URL, this is what we have pasted in the slide. Okay, see here, image URL. This is what we have pasted, and then image description. So for this image URL, we have to give name. Okay, for this image description, we have to match the college name. Okay, after selecting these two things, see now your Google slide and the sheet will get merged. You have to give the file name in order to check the certificates. I'm giving, for example, ICT certificates. So we need multiple output mode. We have to choose a folder from the drive. So now I am selecting this drive, capital KPR. Okay. Give next. At last, you have to save this one. So now these certificates have been, the process have been completed. Now we have to play this in order to run all the jobs. Okay. So that will be clearly shown here. If you want to check the certificate for sample certificate, just click this preview job details. Okay. So it is loading. There will be 5 rows that get merged. See here, I'm having 5 number of participants. So preview for first mergeable row. It is generating the first certificate. See here, this is your first certificate. Was it visible? Rajati with Dr. NGP has participated in the webinar. Yes, this is your first certificate. You can see here, after that, you have to play this whole process in order to get all the certificates. Now I'm going to run this. So now see here, the merged documents will automatically give you everything. Okay. Here I'm running this jobs. See here, automatically the certificates will get generated. See here. Here the process is running. Here also there will be an updation in the sheet, in the drive. The third certificate will get printed. So the 5th document is getting merged. See here, 5th document. So all 5 certificates will get generated. The first one is preview certificate. Okay. All 5 certificates getting generated and the job will get finished. Now look at this document, sheet. Here you will get an ID of this particular certificate, unique ID of that particular certificate, and the link to that document, that is certificate, and everything will be available here. Okay. From this, you can download the certificate. You can send it to the corresponding participants. Okay. Was this understandable? So all the certificates will be available in the drive. Okay. If you want to see, you can click and see each and every certificate. Yes. So individual certificates will get generated with the help of this AutoCAD. Okay. So we have merged this sheet as well as the Google slide. I hope you got something from this. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move to the slide again? Sorry. One second, ma. Okay, the last slide I'm going to show you. It's a small video. Are you all there? Feeling sleepy? Yes? Okay, I'll show this clip to you people. Yes, ma? I'm going to show this clip to you people. After this clip, you have to tell me something regarding this G Suite. Okay, what is the link between this video and the G Suite? Yes? Yes. Say something about this video and G Suite. There will be a link between this video and G Suite. Yes? Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just link this G Suite with this video. Yes? Shall I play once again?
Ma'am,
Yes?
how much money we pay, that much offer we get, ma'am.
Okay. From where? From G Suite.
For this advertisement, ma'am. Likewise, it is also possible in G Suite, ma'am.
Okay, I'll tell you the real cost. Actually, this G Suite is free to all. Okay, but with limited functionalities. If you want to do something extra, that is, for example, if you there will be in Google Meet 1 year back. All the facilities will be available, including recording facilities, all those things. But nowadays, there will be no recording facility available in this Google Meet. So that what they did is they made it as a payment. If you pay something for that, they will provide you the recording facility. Okay. So each and every extension for this G Suite is payable. You have to pay something, you have to pay, then only you will get the extension in order to perform some advanced operations. Okay. So for payable version of G Suite is available, which is wonderful in working nature. Okay. So with this, I am concluding my lecture. Yes. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. N. Vanitha, ma'am. We really had a great session with you, ma'am. Now, students may raise queries to the today's chief guest, if any. Students,
If you have any doubts regarding this GSUIT certificate generation, you can ask me now. Or else you can write your queries to my mail. Kindly make a note of my mail. I'll just post it in your chat box.
Regarding money, ma'am, I have
Yes,
a doubt,
ma'am.
ma'am. Which is easy to create certificate in GShoot or AutoCAD?
Yes, ma'am. It is very simple to generate a certificate through Google Forms. Okay, but it is not that much securable. For example, you can say the link, whoever having the link, they can generate their own certificates. Okay, we can't restrict the people to get who are all getting the certificates from the link. So if we are generating using AutoCAD, we know who are all attended the meet. Okay, so the person who attended the meet alone, we are going to provide a certificate using this sheet and AutoCAD and all. That is the thing. Yes. Hope I have answered your query.
Thank you, ma'am.
now thank you, ma'am. Thanking is a duty of a citizen. For that, I would like to welcome Dr. A. Kanimuli, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KPRCAS, for her vote of thanks. Shall I start with you?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your interactive session, ma'am. Despite our technical issues and delay, you have passionately explained everything, ma'am. Thank you so much. I would like to express my formal vote of thanks to all the audience. First and foremost, I thank principal and management for giving us the opportunity of conducting this STP. And also my special thanks to our chief guest, a resource person, Dr. N. Vanitha ma'am, for giving us wonderful presentation. I really hope the student would get benefited from this STP. Thank you so much, ma'am. You are a befitting person for this program. And I also express my special thanks to our HOD, Mr. K. Vijay Kumar sir, for supporting in all our endeavors, and all our colleagues. And I also express my sincere thanks to all the student participants who participated this program enthusiastically. My special thanks to Mr. A. Sabari for hosting this program in such a wonderful way. Thank you so much all. Last but not least, I express my sincere gratitude to our technical team. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Looking forward to meet you in another wonderful program, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.